Chapter 2 of the Paul Leyburn ski story. I done made it 1/4 the way down the mountain. Scared as fuck. I'm out of breath. I ain't got no water. I'm thirsty. Lips getting chapped. All the white people keep skating by me with no hearts. I had to abandon my board because this is the shit I'm dealing with. It's a straight drop off. It's the way I'm going right now. City Hall, Harlem. Some cold individuals. Down here in my home 2P. Feeling like motherfucking Bear Grylls. He taught me not to eat the snow. It'll burn my roof of my mouth or something. I'll get just dehydrated even faster. But I'm gonna have to walk this leg of the journey. Far as fuck. I don't know what else to do. Cause I sure as about to slide down this bitch. With no control. This is chapter 2. Motherfucker sliding by me. Signing out. Duh. Shit.